Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Soma Flop puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dr. Volker Latussek from Germany and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. The Soma Flop puzzle was made using two different types of wood, limber and jadoba. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 10 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all parts from the frame and then put them back inside the frame. As you can see, now the parts are inside the frame, but it is just a shipping assembling, since you saw there was one piece that is sticking out of the frame and you have to remove the parts first and then try to figure out the way how to put everything back inside. This puzzle, wait a second, it is not easy to remove parts, since as you can see they can be even rotated inside the box, which makes it quite challenging, and the solution of the puzzle actually requires some rotations. Finally I was able to remove all parts. There are 7 parts here, and when they are assembled and you found the correct solution, they fill the entire box. But there is a trick here. Once you start solving the puzzle, you will find that there is a large opening here. It looks large, but actually it is not big enough so that you can fit 2 voxel piece. Like you can see, I can easily fit a 3 voxel piece from this side to this side, but it is difficult to put something inside through this opening. Like, for example, I will show you, if I put these parts inside, then I add, for example, this piece in, and then I want to add this piece. It seems like it doesn't want to go inside, but actually if you put it like that, rotate it and then slide it inside, you will be able to fit it in. So as you can see, quite tricky and quite challenging. Even to remove the parts from the box is challenging, but the assembling will be even more difficult, since there are many assemblies how you can assemble all parts together in a cube shape, but it will be only one possible solution how you will be able to put all parts inside the frame through this quite tricky opening that doesn't allow you to put all parts inside in a way you want to do that. Like you can see, you won't be able to stick this piece inside. You have to kind of rotate it and put it in. So as always, Dr. Volker Latussek created a very challenging puzzle which requires some tricky rotations, and you have to figure out how to put everything inside. Great puzzle, highly recommended. If you want to buy the Soma Flop puzzle, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.